Good morning, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to do a comparison between the Power Pressure Cooker XL and the Instant Pot. I have always made potatoes, cabbage, and smoked sausage. I get this Hillshire Farms beef smoked sausage, and I cut it up into slices, and I put it in the pressure cooker and cook it for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to do that today, but I'm going to use my Instant Pot, and I'm going to see if it's just as good. Supposedly the Instant Pot's supposed to be better, but I'm going to cut up all this stuff, and I'm not going to make this a long video. I'm just going to do really short, but I'm going to cut up everything, put it in the Instant Pot, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, what I'm going to do is I've got my 2 packs of beef sausage in here, and I've got 24 ounces of water that I'm going to put in here, but right now I'm just going to put like half of that. Yeah, half of that, and I'm going to go on saute because somebody told me that or I read it somewhere, heard it somewhere, that if you start your Instant Pot on saute, that when you actually get it and use the saute, when you actually get it in the stuff in there, that it'll come up to pressure quicker. So I'm going to do that while I cut up the potatoes and the cabbage. And just want to tell y'all real quick, I went yesterday to where I live, the extension office, and got my steam gauge checked for my pressure canner, because I'm going to all this summer be canning a lot of things. I'm getting out the old stuff today and throwing it away, and giving it to the pigs down on the farm, because pigs will eat anything. So we're giving all the stuff to the pigs, and then I'm going to be canning. First thing I'm going to be canning is beans. I've got all kinds of beans: northern beans, black beans, kidney beans, pinto beans out the yin yang. So I'm going to be canning a lot of beans lately. But anyway, I've got my Instant Pot on saute now, and I'll bring you back in a little while. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so what I've got in here is I've got the 2 packs of smoked sausage on the bottom. I've got about 8 potatoes diced up. Red potatoes, I didn't peel them, they're just washed and diced up. And I have 2 medium-sized cabbages in here. And in between the meat, in between the potatoes and the cabbage, I put a tablespoon of kosher salt. And I'm going to put another tablespoon, well, about 3/4 of a tablespoon of kosher salt on top. I'm going to put one of the chicken bouillon cubes, mashed up, the Knorr's chicken, these. I'm going to put one of those in here. Get it down in there. And this, I've got this full, but this cabbage is going to cook down tremendously. Alright, now I've got this Greek seasoning, and it smells really good. I'm going to go on and put maybe a teaspoon and a half of that in here. Alright, and then I've got some cayenne pepper, and I'm just going to sprinkle some on top, maybe a 1/4 of a teaspoon of that. And then I'm going to do about a 1/2 a tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper. You can see that. About a half a tablespoon of that. Alright. So I've got everything in here now but the other 12 ounces of water. And I'm going to go on and pour that in. Okay. Oh, I can't wait till this gets done. This is one of my favorite dishes. And it's so simple. Just cut up your meat, your potatoes, and your cabbage. Alright, now. Alright, let me drop you down. I'll bring you right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so now I'm going to, it's been on saute. Now I'm going to cut it off. And then I'm going to go manual. And I'm going to go 10 minutes on manual. And then I'm just going to let it come down to pressure. Whenever I get a chance to come back in here and let it down, I'll bring you back then. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I let the pressure off of here and I'm going to open it up. Remember to always lift the lid away from you so that the steam doesn't hit you. Wow, it looks good. And it definitely went down a lot. Alright, I'm going to put some on the plate and show y'all and let it cool off and I'll bring you right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so this is done perfectly. The potatoes are cooked perfectly. The cabbage has got a little bit of firmness to it, but it's so sweet and so good. I really can't tell the difference between the power pressure cooker. The time was about the same as well. So, I do love my Instant Pot, though. I don't know what it is about it, but I love my Instant Pot. Alright, let me taste this. It really doesn't have the heat in it that I might not have put enough cayenne pepper in it, but it is really good. And here's the smoked sausage. Oh wow. Alright, let me show you the cabbage. I have to cut it up. When I put it in the Instant Pot, I put it in big pieces so it wouldn't fall apart so much. There's the cabbage. So sweet. It is just something about a pressure cooker that makes the cabbage amazing. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and Zaycon Farm Fresh Meats, where you can go and look at their website and see if they come in your area. And if they do, they have amazing prices. They have chicken breast on sale now for 99 cents a pound, and you get 40 pounds of it, but that is still an amazing price, and they are so big. So I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.